What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Next Moon YT channel. Today in front of you, I have a Garmin Dash Cam Mini. I've always wanted to install a dash cam for my car for many purposes, and today I've got my hands on one. So we're gonna do an unboxing together, and then we're gonna see how it's installed in my car. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. So here's the box. This is the front cover. We have a Garmin Dash Cam Mini, and the camera is pretty small. So we're talking about the size of maybe my thumb, a little bigger. And the side view, it's a very small profile camera. That's why I love it. It has a little attachment to the windshield and a ball joint. So you basically can pivot the camera any way you like. And this is the back of the box. If you want to read information, you can freeze frame this video. Okay, so it's got a lot going for it. 140-degree view camera. It's pretty good for a dash cam. And it's 1080p. And we got Bluetooth, and we have many other features, okay? So let's get started opening this bad boy up. So we got a nice little indent here where the tab is. Pull that out. We can open up the top of the box, and inside you're gonna find the camera. So this is it. This is the main unit. Okay. So compared to my thumb, I have a slightly larger than medium, but not quite large hand. And as a reference, here's a key. This is a side view of the camera. Okay, so there's a micro SD slot here. We're gonna get to that. And this is the camera face. So actually it'll be facing outward of the car, just like this. And as you can see, it's all black. Not much paint, not much silver chrome or anything like that. So it's going to be quite out of view. No one's going to notice this. Okay. There we go. And on the other side is the micro connector. Okay. The micro USB connector. So here's a view of it. Here's it compared to my car's fob. It's actually smaller, so which is why I like it. And the only thing it doesn't come with is the micro SD memory. So I got myself a little micro SD memory. I got myself the 64 GB or gigs. You want a minimum of class 10 as recommended by the documentation inside the Garmin instructions. Okay, so any class 10 will do. And I have here 64 GB. I think 64 GB is a good size. You can always go up, all the way up to 512 GB. Okay. Okay, so let's continue and see what else we get. So this is just the container. The holder, just nothing here, just the holder. And we have your instruction booklet. This is probably the quick start, how to get going. And this is the fine technical details. So we're not gonna read this. We don't need no stinking instructions. Just kidding. Let's put this aside. Okay, so what else is included? Let's see. So we have a cable, USB cable. This appears to be a short cable. It doesn't appear to be that long. And next we have a longer cable. The short cable is if you plan to run the wire, the power directly from the camera to a close by USB port in your car. Or if you want to hide it nicely, you can use a longer cord, and you can go in the dash plastic and hide it in there. So you have two options of installing, and it does come with both wires. And the heads of the wires are actually at a 90-degree, which fits the power here. So I'll assemble that in a few minutes. And finally, we have the cigarette adapter for your USB. So this is nice to give you two. So it converts your cigarette lighter into two USB. And finally, that's it. You get a spare mount. It's a ball joint, of course. So this will go on the glass like this. So you get two. It comes with one already attached that comes off, and you get a spare. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So the only thing you need to buy for yourself is a micro SD card. Okay, so the micro SD, it goes in something like this. You push it on the side slot, and it just goes in, and using your fingernail, you just press it in. And there you go. You can hardly see that there's an SD in there. And try to keep your fingers from touching the lens like I did. I'm going to clean that up before I mount this. So this is a pretty cool camera. And for you to look at the videos and to interact and set up the camera, you will need to download the Garmin Drive app. Okay, so that's a separate app you need to download. That will give you a Bluetooth connection to your phone. And from there, you can get a live feed view, and also you can get a listing of all the videos and view it. I do give you a warning that the Bluetooth connection is quite slow when you're trying to view videos, because these files can get quite large. Each video actually gets broken up into, I believe, 1 minute segments. So the files don't get too crazy. Okay, so here's my camera all installed. Can you find it? It's probably hard to see, right? It's definitely not these two cameras up there. They're the Subaru EyeSight cameras. So here's the camera. There it is right there. That's the Garmin Mini Dash Cam camera. Okay, so there you go. That's what it looks like installed. Now let's go inside. So here's a close-up of the dash cam installed and attached to my windshield. It's a hard shot to get. It's quite tight in here. Let me get my candy cane out of the way. It is the holidays. So there you go. That's what it looks like installed. Okay, sorry about the sun glare. All right, that's what it looks like. Now, as you can see, that's the wire from the Garmin, and it goes up into the cover where the headliner meets the windshield, and I've secured it all along the perimeter of the covers and all the way down the A-pillar. Definitely make sure if you're going down the A-pillar, you do not put the wire anywhere close to the airbag. In modern cars, there's an airbag curtain that goes down here. So if you're gonna go into the A-pillar, make sure it's behind the airbag, okay? Never in front of it. Never run a wire in front of your airbag. That's for your own safety, to make sure the airbag can deploy correctly. So if you're gonna go in there, always go behind the airbag, okay? So my wire goes down there and comes back out the base and goes down into the bottom of my dash, okay? So I have a USB connectors here, but I've chosen to do my installation a little more professionally. So instead of connecting it here, I've connected it directly to my fuse. So if you are interested in seeing that installation, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment, and I will make that video for you guys. Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope you like this. With this video, I'm going to also post other small video segments I've captured of driving in different time of the day to see what the lighting will look like, and also in different weather. So take a look at that, and I hope it gives you a good introduction to the Garmin Dash Cam Mini. Enjoy. I hope you guys like this unboxing and learned something. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and leave a comment. And please subscribe to the channel and help us grow. So I'll see you on the next Moon YT channel episode. Happy holidays.